Welcome to our exciting new video where we embark on an educational journey to create cardboard wind turbines. In this hands-on project, we'll guide you step by step through the process of making a simple miniature wind turbine out of everyday materials. Cutting and shaping the cardboard into turbine blades. Attaching the turbine blades to the tower, assembling the wind turbine base. Decorate your wind turbine for a personal touch. Join the cardboard and fun activities with Quick Craft Factory. Subscribe now for more exciting DIY projects, educational content, and creative crafts.